Let's see how to use hover boxes in Wix. So first, we're just going to go to the Add Elements button right here, and then we'll click the box. In here, we'll see container boxes, hover boxes, and tabs. There's this hover boxes that the boxes have movements already. You can see there. But what we're going to do is we're going to create boxes to hover from scratch. So we're just gonna pick some in the container boxes. Let's say we'll have these one. Right there. Then we're gonna go and add some image to it. Let's say the strawberry. 3D strawberry. Just gonna resize it. And we're going to crop it. There. Like. Now, just going to press the box, the container box. Wait, it's attached. And let's go to hover interactions right here. Hover interactions and then press get started. Now this is an hover interaction. So when we go to the interaction in hover, you can see choose effect here. When we press that, you can see the effects right here. How do you want your box to move? Let's say our box is going to shrink. Say our box is going to shrink. Then when we press this image right here, let's choose some effects and your strawberry image is going to grow. We can customize it on how big it goes. Right there. Wait. Let's resize that to that. There. And when we preview it, this hover, just click play and it's gonna show you how it's gonna look like. And now let's try something with 2 images and the other one is gonna hide the other image. Let's go click show more. And let's just have another, for example, this one. Another image, add to page. Like we have this ring. And let's just edit this, resize. Going to resize this image. We're going to attach this to the box too. Right here. Wait a second. To attach this right there. It's attached. And we go to hover. So this right here, we're going to choose an effect. For example, this is going to shrink. Then let's customize it. Shrink that one. Or it's going to shrink like this. And it doesn't matter. Then, after that, we're going to hide it right here. Hide this element. There, it's hidden. So it's gonna go from that to the strawberry. So let's go and click preview. Let's see what it looks like. There. We're here now in our page. And when we place the cursor right into the box, it's gonna go like this. See? There's this movement. And there's a hidden strawberry inside the box. From the ring, it's gonna go to the strawberry. So that's it. That's how to use hover boxes in Wix. See you soon!